We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven overview of the Ergodyne Chill-Its 6700 Cooling Bandana, evaporative polymer crystals for cooling relief, tie for adjustable fit, 6-pack camo. If you own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Ergodyne Chill-Its 6700 Cooling Bandana is designed for those who need reliable, portable cooling relief in hot environments. Made from 100% cotton and embedded with evaporative polymer crystals, this bandana promises up to 4 hours of cooling after activation. The tie closure allows for a snug, adjustable fit, making it suitable for a variety of head sizes and activities, from demanding workdays to outdoor recreation like running and hiking. Its low-profile construction ensures it can be worn comfortably under hard hats without adding bulk, which is a key consideration for professionals working outdoors or on construction sites. One of the standout features repeatedly praised by users is the bandana's effectiveness at providing cooling relief in high temperatures. Many reviewers note that the Chill-Its 6700 is a simple yet highly effective solution for staying comfortable during outdoor work, exercise, or leisure activities. The activation process is straightforward. Soak the bandana in water and the polymer crystals swell to retain moisture, which then evaporates slowly to provide a cooling effect. Several users emphasize that the bandana remains cool for hours, even without refrigeration. For those seeking an extra chill, storing the bandana in the fridge or freezer before use can enhance the cooling sensation, though it is not required for the product to function. Durability and reusability are other strong points. The 6-pack configuration ensures you always have a fresh bandana ready, and users frequently mention that a quick rinse and gentle hand wash are all that's needed to keep them clean. Many recommend storing the bandanas in a Ziploc bag in the fridge to maintain freshness between uses. At the end of the season, simply hang them to dry thoroughly before storing for the next use. This ease of care and long-term usability make the Chill-Its 6700 a cost-effective solution for recurring heat exposure. Performance-wise, the bandana consistently delivers noticeable cooling, with several reviewers measuring temperature drops of 8 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient room temperature for up to 4 hours after a 5-minute soak. While it will not replace an ice pack or provide relief in extreme heat conditions, such as 110-degree weather, it offers a significant comfort boost for everyday activities, whether in the yard, at work, or during exercise. Many users highlight its value for money, noting that even if the bandana only lasts a few days of intense use, the low cost per unit justifies the purchase. However, the Chill-Its 6700 is not without its drawbacks. A recurring theme in user feedback is the slimy sensation that can occur when the bandana is overhydrated. While the slime is primarily noticeable to the fingertips and not to the neck during wear, it can be off-putting for some. Reviewers suggest that soaking the bandana for a shorter period or using less water can reduce this effect, though it may also decrease the cooling duration. Some users report that the bandana's beads can absorb sweat and develop an odor if not washed regularly. It is important to hand wash the bandana and avoid machine washing, as the beads retain moisture and can take a long time to dry out if saturated. Additionally, the bandana should be kept away from pets, as the beads can be damaged or ingested. Compared to similar products, the Chill-Its 6700 stands out for its ample quantity of polymer crystals, which translates to longer lasting and more effective cooling. Some alternatives, like the Huacnet Cooling Sports Scarf, offer a tube-like feel and moderate cooling, but do not match the Chill-Its 6700 in terms of cooling duration or surface area. The Chill-Its 6700's flatter, wider design is often described as more comfortable, avoiding the heavy tube sensation that some competitors impart. However, another variant, the Chill-Its 6700 CT, received less favorable feedback, with users describing it as feeling like a stiff, wet towel with limited cooling effect. Usability is another area where the Chill-Its 6700 excels. The tie closure ensures a customizable fit, making it suitable for a wide range of users and head sizes. Its lightweight construction means it can be worn for extended periods without discomfort, and its discreet profile allows it to be worn under helmets or hats without issue. Users have successfully employed the bandana for a variety of purposes, including yard work, construction, running, hiking, cycling, and even during recreational activities like Nerf wars. While it is not intended as eye protection or a blindfold, it adds a touch of style with its camo design and practicality for hot weather. The product's warranty is another reassurance for buyers. Ergodyne stands behind the Chill-Its 6700, guaranteeing it to be free of defects in materials and workmanship for the lifetime of the product, excluding damage from abuse or normal wear. This commitment to quality is reflected in the bandana's sturdy construction and the positive feedback from long-term users who have purchased multiple packs over the years. In terms of storage and maintenance, users recommend letting the bandana dry completely before storing it away at the end of the season. This prevents mold and odor buildup and ensures the polymer crystals are ready for reactivation the next time they're needed. For best results, follow the manufacturer's instructions regarding soaking time and avoid overhydration to minimize the slimy feel. Regular gentle washing with mild soap keeps the bandana fresh and extends its lifespan. The Chill. Its 6700 also receives high marks for value. With a customer rating averaging 4.0 out of 5 stars from over 9,500 ratings, it is clear that the majority of users are satisfied with their purchase. The 6-pack format makes it easy to share with friends, family, or coworkers, and many reviewers report giving extras away to others who work in hot environments. The bandana is especially appreciated by those who spend long hours outdoors or in non-air-conditioned spaces, such as construction workers, landscapers, and athletes. Despite its many strengths, some potential buyers should be aware of its limitations. The Chill-Its 6700 is not a substitute for more intensive cooling solutions in extreme heat, nor is it designed for use as a medical device. It provides moderate, consistent cooling that is best suited for everyday comfort rather than emergency heat relief. Additionally, those sensitive to textures may find the initial sliminess after soaking to be a minor annoyance, though this sensation typically fades during wear and can be mitigated with proper hydration techniques. In summary, the Ergodyne Chill-Its 6700 Cooling Bandana is a well-designed, affordable, and effective tool for managing heat during work or play. Its polymer crystal technology, comfortable cotton construction, and adjustable fit make it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. The product's ease of use, durability, and strong customer satisfaction ratings underscore its value as a practical solution for staying cool in hot weather. While it does have some minor drawbacks, such as potential sliminess and the need for regular cleaning, these are outweighed by its overall performance and convenience. If you are looking for a reliable way to beat the heat without breaking the bank, the Chill-Its 6700 is a strong contender. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it helps support the channel. If you have experience with the Ergodyne Chill-Its 6700, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed choices.